Hi everyone, I'm Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and we've got Carling behind the camera, and I am thrilled to be in the beautiful gated community of Tidewater. And I am once again joined by the beautiful Dina of Pulte Homes, and this is solely a Pulte Homes community, and she's going to show us this great Calloway model behind us. So thanks for having us, Dina.
Of course, let's go.
So Carling, what are you showing as you're panning around?
All right, everyone, I'm showing the walk up to the front entry. We got a beautiful front balcony. It's stunning. All right, I'm ready.
Now, why we're going in this garage is because when Dina showed us this, when we were just touring it a few minutes ago, I said, wow, this is a wow factor. So Dina, take us through this space.
So you've got a 2-car garage and then 2 spaces outside of the garage. And then over here in the corner, we've got some storage.
Lots of storage in this house, so I
Let me take a peek.
important to point it out. So we've got a great storage area, and look at the height. You can fit surfboards,
Oh my
you can fit
goodness.
kayaks, your canoe, because we will talk about our kayak and canoe launch down the road. But look at this space, lots and lots.
Then if you like that storage, we've got one that's even bigger.
Here, Carly,
More
get
storage.
And I love how y'all finished it with the beautiful tile on the ground. It just kind of makes it a little nicer.
That's included too.
Holy cow.
So really, you can put your bicycles in here depending on who you are and what you need in your garage. If you need to put 2 cars in here, then you have that space for your bikes, which is very important. And why bikes are so important is because you know that Nocatee has greenway trails and has sidewalks connecting every neighborhood and connecting you to all the amazing amenities. Okay, look at this room. This is gorgeous, Dina. So tell us about this bottom floor that we're on.
So down here you can actually have a half bath, or you can do a full bath, and then there's also an option just to make that a nice big storage room in the corner. But there's always a finished room on the ground floor, the closet.
Oh, I love this. This is cute.
Yeah, I love the bar area. They put a large television in here.
How
And
perfect.
it really is. There's a lot of entertaining in this first floor space. And actually, I like the idea of having a bathroom, even a half bath down here, because you've got this beautiful back patio, which we'll unlock it, Carly, while you're showing the storage.
Oh, yeah.
But I just want to show this because there's 3 different patio spaces in this particular Calloway model.
Amazing.
2 on the back side, 1 on the front. But I just want to show all this space. So really, if you had a guest staying with you, this could be their guest suite. However, if you are just somebody that wants to entertain and maybe make this your movie, your bar room, or if you have kids, your playroom, whatever you need to do, you've got it.
That's awesome.
Okay, Dina, show this. Show that thing.
Oh, I want to
Oh, okay.
We saw this earlier.
I thought this was the coolest feature.
Isn't that cool?
All of the exterior doors come with this, so the deck, balcony, and patio. You don't have to clean these blinds, they're inside of the glass.
So clever.
That's genius. You're the first builder that's done this, by the way. in
Love
Ohio.
it.
No, you really are.
Cool.
So what's the square footage of this particular model?
2177.
2177.
More
And
storage.
yeah, we'll open this. And then how many bedrooms
Love
total in this house?
This one in particular has 3, but we go up to 4.
Go up to 4. So really nice. And also, we were talking about how Tidewater, gated community, and also though they have their own, pool?
Yep, we've got our own private pool behind the gate and then a clubhouse as well.
So it's really nice. So it's an actual nice intimate community. And the gate will be only open during construction hours, so they do close them at night. Lots of great security in this space. Look at this second floor that we're on.
Wow.
So do you want to show the front? Because this is a little showstopper out here.
We've got this door again, with the blinds in between the glass. And this leads out to the front balcony.
So you can have your coffee on the front balcony if you wanted to. You could put some chairs out there. You could put one of those little round tables. But what I really love is, Carly, when you flip around, Pulte Homes has put this beautiful island. It's a big island. And is this, real quick, Dina, is this the typical shape that you get?
Yes, it's included.
So you can put comfortably 3 chairs. You really could put 4 if you wanted to. But you have this beautiful view, so when Carly, you flip around, we'll shut the door. But you have a nice view outside. And also, if you're entertaining, You've got the kitchen off the balcony so you can drink your coffee, walk straight outside, or your glass of wine, or whatever you're gonna do.
So nice.
So tell us about the kitchen, it's so pretty.
So this is showing the gourmet appliances, the built-in appliances. Super open floor plans. It's opening right up to the gathering room. That also has the balcony off of the back.
Which is really nice. And there's the balcony off the back is actually wider, so we will show that because there is a huge table out there. So really, these have to be very popular with people that love to entertain. Also the location. So we are literally steps away in walking distance to the Splash Water Park. And why that's important is because that's also the location of our farmers market every month in the green space field. We also have food truck nights. Go ahead, Dina. Dina's selling houses. We're gonna let her get that because she's selling houses. But I'll tell people about it. So we've got food truck Fridays. We've got comedy nights, New Year's Eve parties, lots of events, bingo night if you really want to get crazy. Ladies don't go. But the bottom line is you're steps away. Now look at this. Okay, I just want to show the length of this is massive. I mean, so you can 10 people entertain out here. These beautiful balconies.
Yeah, that's braced into the waterfall ceiling fan.
Oh, nice.
Above, and then you've got a porch light out there too.
Very nice. Beautiful.
Get this view so you can see.
Yeah, it's so nice. And next door is actually another model we went in. So they're showing how you can just do beautiful chairs and a nice table. But I love this eating space here.
There's also a half bath on this floor. So if you're entertaining, the rooms go up and down. There's one right here.
Oh, okay, show this. So if you didn't hear Carling, Dina said there's a
Pan
half
it
bath. So right here, we've always got a half bath.
That's so nice.
And then, look, more storage.
Again.
Storage. Or it could be a coat closet, whatever you want it to be. Pulte Homes really designed this well. Oh my gosh, is that more storage?
More storage.
Are you kidding me right now? Oh, there's your coat closet.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I don't know what I'm gonna do with all this
I
storage.
know.
I don't own that much stuff apparently. I'm gonna have to buy a lot of stuff to fill all this up. Oh my gosh. And Dina, I know y'all have already been so successful in your sales in this beautiful community because this just opened not too long ago.
Yes.
So I'm just stunned how great it's been selling. And then also, can we remind people, we've got a kayak launch, a brand new one opening called the Nocatee Landing, because downstairs Dina showed us this really tall storage space for a kayak canoe, a paddleboard. So you can go down there. It's going to be beautiful. It's opening soon. So I just want to mention that. Okay, Dina, go ahead. Take it away up here.
Yeah, so on this side we've got 2 bedrooms, and this is also an option to be one big room if you wanted to. So you could have a double master upstairs.
Oh, wow.
Anytime we do a double master on the 3rd floor, the ground floor will always be a full bedroom with a full bath.
Oh, that's really nice. And you know what? If you ever had multi-generational living where perhaps, you know, if you had your mom living with you, then your mom could have the master, you have a master. I really think that's a nice feature. How many models is Pulte Homes offering, by the way?
We have 2, and there's the same exact square footage.
Same square footage, but some have the balcony on the front, and one does, one doesn't.
Right, the Calloway has the balcony on the front, and the Avalon is the other floor plan.
And lots of different upgrades available. Obviously, that's endless. The other model does have even more upgrades, so it's nice that they're showing both. But the way this house is done, I wouldn't add anything.
Right.
Your decorator always does such a good job.
And it's also super low maintenance, so everything on the exterior is taken care of through the HOA. So the lawn maintenance, irrigation, termite bond, pressure washing and paint when needed. There's roof reserves, so
Oh, that's
really convenient.
That is a huge selling feature because we get people that come in the Welcome Center all the time and they're saying, what community in Nocatee is everything included? So that's a huge thing that we can say. Tidewater, and also, I meant to also say the walkability, by the way, you guys, to the Nocatee Town Center. We're literally steps away from that. So if that's your grocery shopping, your doctor's office, your dry cleaners, restaurants. So this location is really the ideal location. You're in the middle of everything. Just beautiful. Dean, I know you're going to sell out quickly with these. And so also with this Calloway model, do we have a quick move-in available just in case somebody needs it today?
We
Here, come on over here.
We do. We've got one left that has a really pretty water preserve view.
Okay.
And it's a Calloway, very similar to this, and it's going to be ready in December.
December. So, okay, everybody, I want you to call Dina today. I want you to make an appointment or just show up. She'll be here. She'll answer the phone. She'll answer the door. But you need to move to Tidewater by the award-winning Pulte Homes. Pulte Homes is a great builder. They've been in Nocatee since the very beginning. So we're thrilled that they've reopened this great community to add more because this really is needed in Nocatee, these beautiful homes. And also, we did walk upstairs, but y'all, I want to let you know, the way they have it laid out, you're not walking up 19 stairs like a two-story house. I promise you that. It's like 4 or 5 stairs at a time, so it's no big deal. So thank you, Dina, as always.
Yeah, thank you.
Just Dina's amazing. We always appreciate her taking the time. So I'm with Carling again behind the camera. I'm Heather, and this is Walkthrough Wednesday brought to you by the award-winning developers of Nocatee, the Park Group. Bye, y'all.
Bye.
Bye.